Hey everyone, and welcome to another episode of Deep Driving. This is one that could save your life. So I was driving into my town, and the two-lane road merges into one lane. So I didn't do what some people do, would just try to accelerate and get in front of somebody. I just went into the same lane as everybody else was. Left car, right car, left car, right car. So apparently the guy behind me felt like it was important for him to try to speed up and get in front of me. I really wasn't paying attention and just happened to see him slam his brakes on because he tried to get in front of me, but it didn't happen. So then what does the guy choose to do? It's not something that his intelligent mind would have him do, but it's something of his reactionary mind has him do that he doesn't have a choice about because he doesn't even know that this system is in place. What does he decide to do? He decides to ride my bumper as much as possible because in some way in his mind that shows me something or whatever the situation is, and then I put my blinker on and about maybe another 25-30 feet I make a right. Now I'm driving on a highway that's one lane one way, one lane the other way. This guy, for whatever reason, enraged himself, probably created a story that I did something to him, and then he proceeds as I'm making a right to go across the double yellow line and pass me and almost slams head first into a semi-truck on the other side. So this guy created stories in his mind based on no reality and almost killed himself because of the rage that he created inside himself that he has no idea he's even able to control. Because like I've said in other posts before, we as human beings have been lied to, and we've been taught that other people can have power over our emotions, and other people can make us upset and make us do things. And you see this all the time on television and radio and movies where one person makes you upset. It doesn't happen. You've been taught a lie. We hear things, we hear words, we interpret them, we process them, we give them meaning, and we respond and react to them in a millisecond because that's how powerful our brain is. We don't even realize it does that, so we don't even realize we have the power and the choice to actually not have that happen and to be okay with the words that people say. I didn't cut him off. My car went in front of him. He made up the cutoff story and almost killed himself. It is amazing. People, if you're listening to this, if you have some time road rage or you have some sort of anger or for some reason you're a smart person and when the light turns green, you wait 5 seconds, but the person behind you with the expectation in their mind that you should go immediately honks their horn and then you make a choice, I'm going to accelerate now because the person behind me that I don't know honked their horn and then after that nothing happens, or I'm going to wait and potentially not get hit by somebody running a red light on their phone, which is what happens in society. It's amazing. People, notice your patterns, notice your behaviors, notice what runs you that you think have control. When you get upset, what expectations did you create for that situation or that person unfulfilled had you get upset because you don't realize you did that to yourself. People, this is a world turning into a responsible world, and I need your help doing it. Hashtag Generation Accountable. Please share this. I appreciate you. Have a wonderful rest of your day.